Combine aloe with honey and discover the secret to younger-looking skin without spending a fortune. This natural treatment makes me look 10 years younger. It's a simple DIY method you can prepare in just minutes, and the results will surprise you more than any expensive store-bought cream. Add aloe gel to a small bowl. Aloe deeply hydrates, soothes, regenerates, and slows down skin aging. Next, add half a shot glass of honey, preferably linden honey, which nourishes the skin and has antibacterial properties. Then add half a tablespoon of turmeric, which brightens discoloration and gives the skin a radiant glow, leaving it fresh and luminous. Mix everything well into a smooth, even paste. Apply the mask to your hands, face, or any areas that need hydration, regeneration, and rejuvenation. The skin becomes soft and smooth. It's a natural mask for discoloration and dull skin. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and enjoy results that feel like a professional treatment without leaving home. Stick Aloe to your knee and feel a difference you didn't expect. It sounds strange, but it's an old, proven method for natural relief. Aloe has something special inside, but that's not the only ingredient. Cut a fresh, juicy aloe leaf. Now trim the sharp edges and slice it lengthwise in half. Inside, you'll find a cooling gel that soothes aching areas. Take a slice of the leaf and gently scoop out the pulp with a spoon. Whisk it with a fork until you get a smooth, uniform mixture. Transfer it to a pan. Add a tablespoon of VapoRub ointment, which strengthens and warms. Heat slowly until the ingredients combine into a perfect blend. Pour into a bowl and let it cool. Apply the natural mask to your knee and feel how it relieves pain and supports tissue regeneration. Your knees deserve the best care. Aloe and a bit of warmth are enough to bring relief. Regular use of this mixture is the key to keeping your joints healthy and mobile every day. Put star anise in a sock. You'll stop spending money on expensive ointments. Most people don't know that star anise is useful not only for cooking. If you're struggling with joint, foot, or knee pain, it works better than smelly ointments from the store. Star anise is a powerful natural remedy, known for its ability to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. All you have to do is put it in your sock. Unroll the sock and place a few star anise flowers inside. Then, lie down to sleep. Star anise contains active compounds like anethole, which help reduce swelling and discomfort in inflamed feet. Additionally, star anise improves blood circulation, providing relief for tired, overworked feet and supporting overall health. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people still don't know about it and unnecessarily spend a fortune on ointments. Drink this before bedtime, and the effects will surprise you. It dissolves everything you've eaten throughout the day. This green beverage is a natural weight loss remedy. It boosts metabolism and aids in easy elimination. Effectively combating constipation, it's simple and inexpensive to prepare. Take 3 smaller cucumbers and peel them. Cucumbers are excellent for hydrating the body, providing numerous vitamins and minerals. They act as antioxidants, aid in constipation issues, support weight loss, and regulate blood sugar levels. Chop the cucumbers into smaller pieces and place them in a container for crushing. Add clean, fresh mint leaves. Mint stimulates the secretion of digestive juices. Squeeze the juice from a lemon and pour it into the container with cucumbers and mint. Lemon primarily alleviates heartburn symptoms and aids digestion. Include a small piece of ginger with the cucumbers and mint. Ginger stimulates the production of saliva, gastric juices, and bile. Pour around 300 to 400 milliliters of water. Blend everything, strain it through a sieve, and pour it into glasses. Drink it every night before bedtime. It takes literally a moment to make. Use it for at least a week, and you'll feel the results. Your metabolism will improve, and you'll experience significant relief. It supports weight loss, leaving you feeling noticeably lighter.
Apply cloves to your hands and see what happens. You won't recognize your own hands. Take a large handful of cloves and grind them using a blender or coffee grinder. Put the crushed cloves in a pot and pour 200 milliliters of water over them. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and turn on the stove. Heat the mixture, but you don't have to boil it. Thanks to the tannin content, cloves can slow down the aging process of the skin. They have antioxidant properties that block the development of free radicals. Coconut oil has similar properties. Cloves are effective in fighting fungi and have a strong anti-inflammatory effect. The skin, thanks to cloves, can become smoother, radiant, and free of discoloration. When the mixture is heated, strain it into a container and let it cool. Pour it into a spray bottle. Clove oil reduces irritation and helps maintain a healthy appearance of the skin. When applied to hands, face, or other areas of the skin, it also protects against insects. Taking care of our skin, we simultaneously protect it from ticks, mosquitoes, fleas, or spiders. Just spray the skin on your hands and massage it in. Apply to hands, face, and skin. Using this mixture relaxes and soothes muscle tension. It reduces stress. Additionally, the essential oils in cloves have pain-relieving effects, including relief from migraines and lowering blood pressure. When I run out of my clove and coconut oil bottle, I immediately prepare another one. Everyone asks about the secret of my skin.
Rosemary and aloe are a remedy for hair loss. Your hair will grow like never before. This method also helps with gray hair. Your hair will stop falling out and will grow quickly. Many people have seen their gray hair disappear thanks to this mixture. It strengthens the hair, eliminates dandruff, and darkens gray hair. You will need a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. Put the leaves in a bowl. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which supports hair growth. Additionally, its antibacterial properties help maintain a healthy scalp and prevent dandruff. Next, take 2 aloe leaves. Peel the aloe leaves as shown in the video. Do the same with the second leaf. Scrape all the gel-like consistency of the aloe into the bowl. Aloe acts as a natural conditioner for hair. It moisturizes dry hair in the scalp, soothes scalp irritations, and promotes hair growth thanks to its nutrient content. Mix these 2 ingredients and put them in a blender. Blend for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the contents of the blender into a bowl. Add a teaspoon of natural shampoo and mix well. Pour your new shampoo into a pump bottle for easier application. Wash your hair with this shampoo regularly, once a week, and I guarantee great results. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes. Put a strainer on your head and get ready for salon-style curls. Spray your straight hair with water along its entire length so it's slightly damp. Take a kitchen strainer and bend your head forward. Place all your hair inside the strainer and start blow drying, aiming the warm air directly at the strainer. Dry for a moment without moving the hair. Then remove the strainer and enjoy beautiful, natural curls. No curling iron or effort needed. You've got to try this trick.